Supra clamp perfect architecture.
I've always believed that successful projects have three main factors: state-of-the-art production technology, quality, and functionality. Mikalor combines all of these factors to manufacture a clamp which the market has trusted implicitly for over 30 years, the Mikalor Supra range.
The 3 projection welding spots guarantee a far stronger weld than competing clamps. The swinging bridge allows Supra to be fully opened, meaning that it can be used in difficult application areas. This feature also avoids deformation of the clamp during assembly. The design of the captive nut and trunnions keeps them firmly in place during assembly and removal of the clamp.
I've seen Supra used in so many different applications in the most demanding sectors: aerospace, wind power, performance cars, and so on. And I can say without any doubt that it's a benchmark in its segment. It's a true world beater.
Supra's high-strength bolt, and in particular the design of the bolt's head, make it suitable for both manual and automatic assembly. The clamping range and material quality are clearly identified. The beveled band edges avoid damage to the hose and also prevent injuries during assembly. Supra complies with the strictest international norms.
Our customers require conformity to international norms. As regards the environment, we guarantee that our products are manufactured using materials and processes which reduce the environmental impact to a minimum. At Mikalor, we're working for a sustainable world.
Supra, the Mikalor clamp recommended for the most demanding applications. The authentic Mikalor clamp.